In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix ChatGPT network error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network. Next up, reload the page. Click on this icon for several times. Next thing you want to do is log out and log in back to your ChatGPT account. Next, check the server status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Head over to the website status.openai.com. Expand this section, ChatGPT. Now, if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the browser. For that, click on three dots, go to settings. Click on privacy and security. Click on the option site settings. Click on view permission. Here, search for OpenAI or ChatGPT. Once the option appears, click on the trash icon and confirm the deletion. Next thing you want to do is disable ad blockers, VPNs, and proxies. For that, navigate to the section of extension. If you found out any suspicious extensions over here, disable it or completely remove it. Next, you can try incognito mode. For that, click on three dots, click on the option new incognito window. Now head over to the official website of ChatGPT. Now from here, you can try to access ChatGPT. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.